Good morning from Mickleton in Warwickshire. This is the one nice day in February when the sun is shining. It's rained the rest of the month. We thought we'd go for a walk, and we thought we'd do the Hidcote circular walk. A walk of about 5 miles, maybe 5.5. Lane's going to log the journey. Get your fresh Mickleton lamb. It's fair to say, isn't it, we haven't been out for a proper walk since Breedon Hill, have we? So it's nice to be out again. To take in those blues and greens. Mud, glorious mud. Up we go, and hopefully we're going to get some good views up here. So it's rained virtually every day in February so far. It's now mid-February, and after today it's due to start raining again. Lane's doing the navigating whilst I'm doing the filming. We've had a frost this morning as well. I don't know whether you can see it on the grass here in the shade. Very nice views this morning. Into the woods. So this route takes in Hidcote Manor and Gardens, and also Hidcote Boyce. So we're reaching the top of this stony path. Let's see where next. Interesting sculpture. Looks like a feather. Beautiful snowdrops. A sign that spring is almost upon us. Coming up to the road, turn right, which will take us towards the manor. Seeing a lot of this in the country lanes this morning. A lot of water running off the fields. Good idea. Mini mudders. Outdoor stay and play group. There's plenty of mud at the moment. Don't think you need that. A few more cars now. Probably all heading towards the Manor and Gardens. So we've just cottoned on seeing this sign. It's a National Trust property. Sunny day brings everybody out. Wow, look at this. The guy in the high vis said yesterday they only had 49 visitors. But it was Friday yesterday and it was raining, so see why. Crikey, it's busy back there. We are on the Monarch's Way, and the Monarch's Way is a very long distance path. It actually runs through where we live. We've driven over 17 miles to get here. We've just quickly asked if we can use their toilet facilities because we needed to go, and they very kindly said yes. We haven't paid to go in. We must come here another time and have a look around the manor. So from here we're heading towards Hidcote Boyce. The manor very much behind us now. This is Hidcote Boyce, another very pretty village. Hello there. And we still haven't found a bench. Come on, Hidcote. Place some more benches in your villages. That's brilliant. Ignore the road closed sign. Look what's behind it. That's what we've done so far. So I believe we're just over halfway then. And for a short way, we're heading towards Ebrington. Another opportunity to clean our boots. So we're following an all trails route. Obviously there are different ways to do this, but so far so good. It's been an enjoyable walk. So from here we turn right down towards Chipping Camden. We're being watched. Bye bye. So, back on the public footpath to Mickleton.
This is a nice part of the walk, nice track, no mud.
Almost a straight run into Mickleton, but I think the mud will come back with a vengeance. There's proof we've been visited by aliens. We're now out of those woods. Don't think it'll be too long before we meet up with the beginning part of our journey. In memory of Joe Barry on a beautiful bench. A few hours back, we walked past that large oak and we walked up there, and we have now come full circle. School's on the doors.
5.6 miles.
Ah,
There we go.
said about 5.5,
Yeah.
didn't we?
Cool.
Nice walk.
Yeah.
Not muddy at all. Our last walk ended like this. Muddy boots.